Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Yash, Drall Gamer, and today we are continuing our massive government construction journey in Builder Game Part 2. In the last episode, we successfully built a public bridge, delivered raw materials, constructed walls, handled demolition orders, and completed electrical wiring projects. But today, things are getting even bigger. The government has assigned us larger and more advanced infrastructure missions, and now we must prove that we are not just builders, we are professional city developers. Our first mission in Part 2 begins with a brand new road construction project. The City Council has approved a highway extension that will connect rural areas to the main city. This is a major public development project and it requires careful groundwork. We start by clearing the land using heavy machinery. Bulldozers push away dirt and debris while excavators level the surface. The game makes us control the machine arms carefully, teaching coordination and smooth movement. Once the land is flat, we bring in the road roller to compress the soil and create a stable base. A strong road always begins with a properly compacted foundation. Next, we pour layers of gravel followed by hot asphalt. The asphalt machine spreads the material evenly across the surface, and we must move it at the correct speed to avoid uneven patches. After spreading, we use the road roller again to press everything firmly into place. Watching the rough ground transform into a smooth black highway is extremely satisfying. Finally, we paint white men markings and road dividers to complete the project. The government inspector checks alignment and surface smoothness, and once approved, the road officially opens for public use. This mission teaches how real road construction works step by step. Our second mission involves constructing a public water supply system. The city is expanding, and new neighborhoods need several water pipelines. We begin by digging trenches along marked routes. Precision is important because pipelines must be placed at the correct depth. After digging, we lay large water pipes carefully, connecting each section tightly to avoid leaks. The game tests our accuracy by ensuring joints are sealed properly. Once the pipes are installed, we cover them with soil and compact the joints. Finally, we test the system by turning on the water supply. If everything is connected correctly, water flows smoothly without leaks. Completing this project feels rewarding because water supply is essential for every community. Next, we receive an urgent government order to repair a damaged school building roof before the rainy season begins. We climb scaffolding carefully and remove broken tiles. Safety harnesses are shown in the game, reminding us of real-life precautions. After clearing damaged sections, we place new roofing sheets and secure them with bolts. We check alignment to ensure rainwater flows properly through drainage pipes. Once finished, the building looks safe and ready for students. This project highlights maintenance work, which is just as important as new construction. Now comes a furniture supply mission for a public library. Instead of simple chairs, this time we must build study desks and bookshelves. We measure wood pieces accurately, cut them with electric saws, sand rough edges, and assemble parts using screws or nails. Attention to detail is important because shelves must stand straight and balanced. After assembling, we polish and paint the furniture for a smooth finish. When the furniture is delivered and placed inside the library, the room looks organized and professional. It feels great knowing that our work will help students study comfortably. As we progress, we unlock an advanced electrical grid installation mission. This time, it's not just simple switches and plugs. We must set up a small transformer and distribute power to multiple buildings. We connect high voltage cables to the transformer carefully and route wires through underground ducts. Color coding and correct alignment are crucial. If we mix up connections, sparks appear and we must redo the setup. Once wiring is complete, we test the power supply to ensure all buildings receive electricity. Lights turn on across the neighborhood and the city becomes brighter. This mission shows how electricity distribution works on a larger scale. Midway through part 2, we receive another demolition project. An abandoned factory must be cleared to make space for a new park. Before demolition, we disconnect electrical and water connections to ensure safety. We place controlled charges at structural points and secure the perimeter with barriers. After countdown, the building collapses in a realistic cloud of dust and debris. We then use heavy machines to clear rubble and transport waste materials away. Demolition missions are intense but require calm planning and responsibility. The next project is building a small public park. After clearing the land, we level the ground and install walking paths using stone tiles. We plant trees, place benches, and install streetlights. This mini-game focuses more on creativity and arrangement. Proper spacing between trees and correct placement of benches improves the park's rating. When completed, the park looks welcoming and peaceful, a perfect place for families. Finally, we receive a special bonus mission, constructing a small government office from start to finish. This combines everything we have learned so far. We build the foundation, raise walls, install windows, fix the roof, paint interiors, set up electrical systems, and furnish the office with desks and chairs. Every step must be completed in the correct order. When the building is finished, we receive a 5-star rating for excellence in construction quality and time management. Builder Game Part 2 feels more advanced and challenging than the first part because projects are larger and require better planning. The game teaches that construction is not just about building structures, but about teamwork, safety, precision, and responsibility. Every completed mission contributes to city development, and that gives a strong sense of achievement. And that wraps up part 2 of our government construction journey in Builder Game. If you enjoyed watching these advanced infrastructure projects and want to see part 3 with even bigger megacity development, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite mission from today's episode, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting gameplay. This is Yash Drall Gamer signing off. Keep building, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next massive construction adventure.